Hi Karthik, hi Nusrat. Welcome to our show.
Thank you.
I need to ask you this question first, but we heard this entire story where you're eating 25 eggs.
Oh.
Ande ka funda. Please tell me about that.
अंडे का फंडा कुछ नहीं है आई थिंक बहुत पहले की बात है जब मैं रजत का कैरेक्टर निभा रहा था प्यार का पंचनामा आई थिंक दैट टाइम आई वाज नॉट लीन आप कुछ बोल नहीं सकते वो एक लैंकी बहुत ज़्यादा ही पतला इंसान था उस टाइम में और काफ़ी ही हद तक मतलब बहुत अजीब सा था मैं आई थिंक सो
नहीं ठीक था
उसके बाद
he's being modest and all.
नहीं उसके बाद आई थिंक जब आकाशवाणी के प्रिपरेशन के लिए मेरे को प्रिपेयर करना था बेसिकली आकाश के लिए तो देन आई हैड टू लाइक गेन 12 kgs और समथिंग एंड देन रिड्यूस 8 kgs सो दैट वो एक कुछ फंडा होता है बेसिक जिम का कि आप अगर अजीब सी बॉडी लेकर पैदा हुए हैं तो आपको पहले बढ़ाना होता है बॉडी फिर घटा के मस्कुलर करना होता है सो दैट यू लुक गुड ऑन स्क्रीन और तो वैसा फंडा था तो तब मैं 25 अंडे खाता था बिकॉज I'm a vegetarian, like an eggitarian. So नॉन वेज से ज़्यादा प्रोटीन मिलता है वेज में इतना नहीं था
Takes longer, I guess.
टेक्स लॉन्गर या
Yeah.
तो हाँ मेरे पास एग्स ही सोल्यूशन था तो 25 अंडे अभी नहीं है
That's a
अभी
story.
नहीं।
पता नहीं कैसे खाता था. No idea.
Tell me, Nusrat, we were reading an interview somewhere where you said that it was kind of difficult for you to get into this lead role because your last film was a kind of ensemble.
Last two films were
Yeah.
ensemble, LSD and PKP. It's difficult because when someone has already seen you with other actors and when that film with other actors has worked so much, then the mindset, and I've always believed Bollywood is about perception. I mean, nothing else works here as much as perception does. So when you've seen me with 5 other actors in both the films, there were 6 actors.
Yeah.
Somewhere you feel that a whole film on her might not work, she might not carry it, she might not be the right one.
Yeah.
So it was difficult, but it takes one person to have faith and belief in you. And it took me one person, which is my director, and he gave me the film, so I'm here.
In Pyar Ka Panchnama, you had this kind of nagging girlfriend kind of role. What is it like in this one?
This one is, like I've said in every interview, my redemption really. Or
Your redemption.
My redemption. And I think redemption for all the girls who've been called Neha and Babu by the boyfriends after PKP. That now maybe everybody who learnt not to love in Pyar Ka Panchnama will probably learn how to love from Vani in this film. Yeah.
But are you like nagging in real life? Of course, you won't say that.
No, I'm not nagging.
Of course, she wouldn't say that.
Yeah, but I mean, men
stop
have this.
you.
No, men have this perception. Men have this perception that women are real nags. What do you think?
Because men think in one direction. The problem is that we think of 500 things. So we kind of make them aware that ये भी गलत हो सकता है, ये भी गलत हो
So
सकता
are
है.
you telling me men have a one-track mind? Is
No,
that what
no,
you're
they
saying?
have
I think
one
you can
vision.
make
They
a-
have like that.
You
You have
guys
your
are having the conversation and the question
No,
was
no,
What's for you?
Move over to him. All right. Tell me, Karthik, you think women are nags?
it depends.
You've had your past girlfriends who've been nagging.
No.
We'll ask them not to watch this interview, but you can tell me.
Oh yeah, shocking. Put it
Sectional.
Disclaimer.
No,
Disclaimer: Karthik's ex-girlfriends shall not watch this interview.
नहीं ऐसा होता है आई थिंक रिलेशनशिप में आई थिंक लड़कियों को काफ़ी टाइम तक लगता होगा कि लड़के भी पोजेसिव वे में आई थिंक नैक करते हैं और आई थिंक वही लड़कों को लगता है लड़कियों के लिए कि क्रिकेट मैच नहीं देखने देना वहाँ नहीं जाना शॉपिंग मेरे साथ करना ये सब चीज़ें करती हैं
इसने ना PKP कर ली है. So many examples now
So-
that really you can't ask him this question.
Yeah, I have so many examples from PKP. पहली फिल्म मेरी प्यार का पंचनामा थी तो how can you just I can't just say good things about girls I think so but नहीं फिर भी मुझे लड़कियाँ बहुत पसंद है
Sure, we are all happy for you. But tell me anything about like any past relationship that you had, which is about a girl who like totally like pissed you off. One thing about women that really pisses you off,
pretentious I think so
right?
yeah if a
Wrong
woman
industry. What?
is wrong industry
That's a good one.
Tough luck finding a girl.
yeah
little more than pretentious. I mean, you know.
अच्छा,
It's too wide a term.
Exactly.
काफी है
It's like
तुम्हारे लिए।
very, very ambiguous.
It's like saying I don't like tall girls.
Yes.
Huh?
मतलब tall is just one small feature. There are
Yeah.
so many other things.
No I don't think so because मेरे हिसाब से I don't know यार मेरे को सारी लड़कियाँ पसंद है यार जैसी भी हों
Sorry. I mean anyone.
बस प्रिटेंशियस थोड़ा बड़ा आपके लिए डेफिनेशन है आई थिंक बट आई थिंक हाँ जो भी प्रिटेंशियस है आई डोंट ज़रूरी नहीं है आई एम गोना बी डेटिंग समवन फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री बाहर से भी डेट कर सकता हूँ तो he's not pretentious. जो
Oh my God, you like really typecast girls over here,
Yeah,
ना?
like he's got one.
I haven't typecast. मतलब
मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं
मैंने कुछ बोला क्या?
मेरे जवाब पे
You guys were the one who started it. Hey, it's a wide term. You are in the
Tell me,
wrong
what about
industry.
you?
what do
Something
I...
what guys that really like tick you off.
Everything.
No.
No,
I
come
just please, how can that be possible? No. I don't like them being too judgmental about things. I mean,
You think they are?
I think they are. I think every guy has a set of mindset that they come from, where then one feeling they might think, oh, she's pretentious, you know. I don't know. So,
See, exactly. Of course, getting back at you, huh?
so I don't like judgments. I think you should take your time to get to know someone.
But how come, like during the course of shooting, how come you guys weren't linked?
Because I
it's
think-
very usual that actors are linked, and it
I
also
think
kind
now
of
we're on
helps the
Zoom,
movie.
so I think so we
So
are
can
gonna
we
be
can
linked.
we link?
Zoom it actually linked
even
me.
help your movie.
Zoom had linked me with someone else from the film first.
Oh
So,
no!
Yeah.
You missed the bus.
Really,
You came in late.
It's all right.
I think we
fine with
became friends from day one, and
Yeah.
because you all saw us like that, and it comes
Yeah.
across that way, तो एक mindset बन चुका है कि हाँ ये दोस्त है, so what to do?
ये अच्छी दोस्ती है, प्यारी दोस्ती है.
हाँ प्यारी है,
Yeah, little pyar is there.
Little प्यार.
little.
Okay, you heard about how Love Ranjan discovered you on Facebook. Tell us about it. I mean, very interesting, really.
Yeah, the thing is कि I'm from ग्वालियर और ग्वालियर से मैं यहाँ पे पढ़ने के लिए आया हूँ. मतलब एक्टिंग करनी थी मेरे को, बट उसका बहाना यह था कि मैं पढ़ाई करने आया हूँ नवी मुंबई में. सो फ्रॉम देयर आई स्टार्टेड सर्चिंग ऑन फेसबुक और गूगल. आई स्टार्टेड टाइपिंग थिंग्स लाइक एक्टर्स रिक्वायर्ड या समथिंग लाइक रिलेटेड टू एक्टिंग.
Really?
Yeah, I used to Google it. I used to search on Facebook, and somehow when I was in third year of my college, मतलब 2 साल पहले, तो तब मेरे को पता लगा कि फेसबुक के किसी के वॉल पोस्ट पे प्यार का पंचनामा के बारे में एक पोस्ट है जिसमें लिखा था कि वी नीड अ गाय. उसके स्पेसिफिकेशंस थे, हैंडसम होना चाहिए, क्यूट होना चाहिए, अच्छा दिखने में.
See all of that, huh? What do you think?
आई एम जस्ट किडिंग.
Of course, he wouldn't be my hero otherwise.
नहीं, उसमें कुछ स्पेसिफिकेशंस थे जो उस टाइम के हिसाब से मेरे पे रेलेवेंट
met.
लग रहे थे. I think.
लग रहे थे.
तो I just replied and उसमें मैंने अपने फोटोज भेजे जो मैंने मोबाइल से खींचे हुए थे, एडिट करके पिकासा से क्रॉप करके भेजा उनको. एंड देन
Software भी पता.
हाँ, सॉफ्टवेयर भी पता है. स्टूडेंट हो यार, स्टूडेंट. पिकासा से ब्लैक एंड वाइट कर दे. सो वो सब चीज़ें करके आई जस्ट मेल्ड देम माय फोटोग्राफ्स. और आई थिंक फोटोज अच्छी लगी. उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया ऑडिशन के लिए. ऑडिशन में उन्होंने बोला कि यार इस पे पैसा कैसे लगाएं इतना सारा, क्योंकि ये पढ़ाई कर रहा है. पढ़ाई से अचानक से निकल के इस पे पैसा लगा दिया. इसने छोड़ दी बीच, मेरे को पढ़ाई वापस करनी है. फिल्म छोड़ दी तो
तभी तक वो आज तक एग्जाम दे रहा है जो पहले नहीं दे पाया.
Clear नहीं हुआ.
तो
बेचारा.
पहले ऑडिशन में मुझे सिलेक्ट नहीं किया था.
अच्छा.
2 हफ्ते बाद मैंने उनको कॉल बैक किया कि यार जो ऑडिशन में फोटोज खींची थी मेरी वो मुझे दे दो ताकि मैं पोर्टफोलियो की तरह कहीं और दे पाऊँ.
Yeah, but this is something we both don't have. We don't have a portfolio
So-
in being here.
Yeah.
मैंने अभी खिंचवाया है मतलब recently कि चलो कुछ
It's about time now.
It's about time now.
एंड व्हेन दैट हैपेंड देन ही रियलाइज्ड कि यार ये लड़का है, इसको वापस बुलाते हैं. तो दैट वे आई गॉट प्यार का पंचनामा. फिर वो इट हैपेंड. एंड
But you have this very chocolate boy looks. It'll be tough to find girls to pair up with you.
हाँ.
I mean, she looks really young, but most of the actresses would probably look older to you.
So good. Then he gets a new actress every film.
But tough. The finding is going to be really tough, no? Because
आई डोंट नो, वो मेरा काम तो नहीं है. बट आई
for the
थिंक
longest
जो
time,
भी
Shahid Kapoor had the same problem. He used to say like, because of his chocolate boy looks, he's like actress मिलता ही नहीं.
अच्छा.
Because pair up with him.
अरे अगली फिल्म एक्शन कर लूंगा, सब हो जाएगा सही.
There he'll be the man.
Pyar Ka Panchnaama had this kind of a cult status. So a lot of pressure on this one. Same director.
आई थिंक नहीं, इट विल
The
बी अगेन अ
team.
कल्ट फिल्म. या आकाशवाणी, लाइक रोमियो जूलियट, हीर रांझा जैसे प्रेजेंट होते हैं वैसे ही आकाशवाणी आई थिंक एज एन एग्जाम्पल प्रेजेंट होंगे कभी.
हमें ये सवाल बहुत लोगों ने पूछा है, बट फॉर सम रीजन वी आर रियली नॉट नर्वस एंड वी आर रियली नॉट स्कैर्ड एंड वी आर रियली नॉट प्रेशराइज्ड. वी आर in fact very comfortable, confident. पता नहीं क्यों, maybe subconsciously we know that we've done a decent job.
But yeah, that happens ना कि
Or maybe the director is so this thing he believes so much in the whole product
Totally,
and us
yeah.
that he's kind of taking the pressure for us, I think.
Now, seeing the promos, they were very, very cool promos, I must tell you. And there were these flashes of DDLJ when Sarso ka khet pe running or he's carrying something like that. So what is all that about? Tell me.
वो तो करते टाइम भी जो डायरेक्टर सर हैं हमारे लव रंजन, उन्होंने यही बोला था ये ट्रिब्यूट है. कि एक अगर रोमांटिक फिल्म बनानी है तो उसमें सरसों का खेत तो होना चाहिए।
एंड रोमांटिक फिल्म नॉर्थ में बना रहे हो आप, तो मतलब दैट फील ऑफ, एंड आई हैड अ ब्लास्ट।
लड़की को सरसों के खेत पे तो लेके जाएगा लड़की।
Do the both of you believe in love at first sight? There's a dialogue also in the movie, right? Yeah. So do you believe in love at first sight?
मेरे को तो हर रोज प्यार होता है बार बार देख के लड़की को। लव एट फर्स्ट साइट में मैं तो बिलीव करता हूँ पूरा।
कोई और सवाल पूछो।
Love at first sight बार-बार every day.
बार होता है, रोज होता है, हर मिनट होता है।
Love at many sides.
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता I can believe in love.
Yeah.
I think you should get to know a person. You can have an initial, like I can notice someone at first sight, but I can't just. I mean, it's not something.
Yeah, even I'm talking about noticing.
Need to know the person. What did he say?
नोटिस करने की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं अभी। उसके
हम लव की बात करें, notice is सब, I think I'm sure all guys.
It's the same with me.
Look at women. Adults generally have this perception of the youth, this generation, that we have a very warped sense of love and romance. It's not like how it used to be back in the olden days. What do you guys feel about that? Like they say the relationship status is always complicated. You guys as young people, what do you guys think?
I think more so today. एक तो ऑप्शंस बहुत ज़्यादा है बहुत सारी चीज़ों के, इन द सेंस ऑफ नॉट जस्ट
बहुत सारी लड़कियां हैं,
नॉट जस्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ लाइक पहले शायद इफ यू आर लिविंग इन अ स्मॉल टाउन यू डोंट हैव सो मेनी ऑप्शंस ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग. Now you're traveling all over the place. You don't need to travel. Sitting at your house, you're connected to so many people, so many places. On the internet पे कितने लोगों को प्यार हो गया है या डेटिंग हो गई है,
शादी हो जाती है.
That's what I'm saying. ये भी हो गया कि टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी आगे बढ़ गई है कि इतने फोन्स आ गए हैं और
मोबाइल, SMS, all of that.
SMS
everything has become fast.
हर 5 मिनट में आपको गर्लफ्रेंड से बात करनी है, गर्लफ्रेंड का वो नैगिंग वाली बात उसी से आ जाती है कि हर 2 मिनट में बार बार SMS आ रहा है, बार बार कॉल आ रहा है, सो यू हैव टू रिप्लाई आई लव यू टू, ये सब चीज़ें भी होनी है. सो आई थिंक आफ्टर अ पॉइंट इरिटेटिंग हो जाता है. सो उसके चक्कर में आई थिंक सो कि पीपल बिलीव कि रिलेशनशिप बहुत ज़्यादा हेक्टिक काम है.
Are you commitment phobic or anything like that?
No, I'm not.
No.
मैं बहुत ही अगर मैं रिलेशनशिप में हूँ आई थिंक सो मैं बहुत ही पोजेसिव किस्म का इंसान हो जाऊँगा और कमिटमेंट तो 100% होगा.
What about you?
Totally.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I connect. I mean, one of the only things I connect very strongly with Vani, because she's a committed person. As in, उसको प्यार हुआ तो प्यार हुआ, forever type हुआ. तो yeah,
अगर मैं हूँ भी ग्वालियर से थोड़ा सा तो मेरे टाइप के लड़के ऐसे ही होते हैं.
No, but like like you were just saying, the entire SMS culture of romance over SMS and phone, because of that the youth is often considered frivolous by adults. What do you think about that? Like for example, like a one night stand is considered a bad thing. That doesn't mean you're not serious about a relationship. That doesn't mean you never fall in love. So what is your view on that?
I actually don't. I don't understand that kind of process and love, because that's not something I would want. Because I'm willing to commit, I would want that in return.
What about you, Karthik?
No, even I feel the same यार. मेरे साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ नहीं है कि ONS जो बोलते हैं आजकल one night stand.
Oh God!
I didn't know this term. So cool, ONS. Cool. Tell us about ONS.
No.
I'm going to be soon using this lingo.
मुझे बस
See, even knows the lingo. I'm suspicious about you, Karthik. See, and look at the smile.
Yeah, I have no idea about it. I just.
But it's okay. Nothing wrong. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. Do you believe in one night stands?
No, I don't.
You don't?
No, never happened with me. I don't think so it's gonna happen with me.
Oh, you guys are really young, so I must ask you all this. Do you think, as young people, is sex very overrated in our country, whether it's on screen or whether it's off screen?
I don't know. I think it's also depending on the society you're in. I mean, if I was, and I've said this earlier also. Someone asked me, are you comfortable doing a kissing scene?
Yeah.
And my answer is, in Bombay, on the roads, I don't walk around kissing people. You know what I'm saying? So when I'm not comfortable doing that in my real life, I can't do that on screen. As an actor, for me, that connect and being able to do that doesn't happen. But if you talk about Akash and Vani in a relationship for 4 years, and they're together, and they're, if you've seen the song Romani, they're in bed, they're sleeping together, and he kisses me on the cheek. And if I kiss him back, I kiss him back. For me, that's normal, because that's what a couple would do in that setup, in that situation. I believe that. But I don't think Akash and Vani would walk down a bazaar and be, doing things.
मेरी मम्मी रोई थी जब मैंने
अरे पूछो मत.
जब मैंने she cried because she saw me kissing on screen. So she was like कि ऐसे कैसे अपने पढ़ाई के लिए भेजा था.
Kiss करके आ गया.
कर रहा है.
Tell me, Karthik, which actress in Bollywood do you think is the most desirable?
Kareena Kapoor.
In the blink of an eye, when I thought of
didn't
Kareena
complete the
Kapoor.
question. No, do you guys have a godfather in the industry? They say it's very tough to
I think
figure your way around without someone really looking out for you.
मेरे हिसाब
I mean,
से
that's just the way of the industry. So have you found an anchor?
Yeah,
it's
even I have.
like Love Sir.
Same here. Oh,
तो मेरे और
actually
कौन
for
होंगे
both,
यार?
yeah.
It was super talking to the two of you. Akash Vani, thank you for being on our show and wish you good luck with your film.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.